if you don't have a brush roll on-off switch on your if you don't have a brush roll on-off switch in your vacuum, such as this Hoover wind tunnel, you can disconnect the belt by removing the screws with a Phillips screwdriver and then taking the belt off the motor shaft. And then all you could so you know it scatters dust all around. I'm going to demonstrate it. Let me get some dust. Wind Tunnel by Hoover. And it's the strongest vacuum in our collection. So here we go. Nice and even, nice and even. So here we go. Alright, so that's what you do if you don't have a brush on-off switch and if you have hard floors that you don't want to scratch up. So, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching the video and I hope you liked it.